Imagine waking up at sunrise to the distant rumble of a herd of triceratops moving across dew-soaked fields. A dinosaur farm would be a fascinating blend of ancient wonders and cutting-edge technology. Massive fences reinforced with high-voltage barriers would secure the perimeter, while drones would patrol the skies, constantly monitoring everything from escaped raptors to the health of a stegosaurus calf. Feeding time would be a daily spectacle. Herbivores like Brachiosaurus would require tons of leafy greens, carefully sourced and delivered, while carnivores, such as a small pack of velociraptors, would need precisely portioned meat brought by automated vehicles to avoid risky close encounters. Veterinarians would use advanced scanners and diagnostic tools to check for injuries or illness, ensuring the dinosaurs remain healthy. Specialized teams would clean giant enclosures with industrial-strength equipment designed to handle massive waste. Workers would wear protective gear and carry emergency tranquilizers, always prepared for unexpected situations. The farm wouldn't just produce meat or eggs. It would serve as a hub for scientific research, ecotourism, and conservation efforts, blending awe with responsibility in every moment of daily life on this extraordinary farm.